So anyway, people, I was just uploading stuff to YouTube, and Posty comes. So I thought, well, the camera's out, might as well make a video. I know I've made quite a few of these unboxings, but yeah, I just like to show my progress on what I'm getting. So these stamps are nice. It has Australia, sunburnt country. So you don't know that Australia, sunburnt country has a who is it? Robert Graham. He was an aviator anyway. Then I have a first day cover here. Sorry, it's covering my address. Australian commemoration for the anniversary of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights in 1948. And that's the actual stamp there. So it's an Indigenous Australian. Has like a looks like something from Middle East, a Caucasian and an Asian. It has the stamps. So we have a Eastern long-necked tortoise. It's a pretty common animal where I live, and yellow-faced whipsnake. Now that occurs more up north in the dry areas. Nice. And then we got, this is one of my favourite plants. So this is called a grass tree, and 40-cent stamp, so probably 80s sometime or early 90s. And they just occur up at King Lake, close to where I am. So I'm going to open it up and see what we got. So what have I got? I have a, there you go. Let's zoom in. South African Republic, so 1896. This is during the War Republics. 2 shillings. And I also have another South African Republic, 1892. Sixpence. So they actually use the British currency, even though they Afrikaans are pretty much a Dutch people. Afrikaans is it's a Dutch language, probably a dialect of Dutch. And that nearly completes my collection. I need the 2.5 shillings, I need the 1 penny, and well, the 5 shillings and £1 are actually very rare and are very expensive, so I doubt it I'll actually get those. I got a 1926 penny, so this is it's a light mint, I think I like a bit over $1 million. So got that one. I got a florin. This is in pretty good shape, 1951. It says $195. I don't think so, but I didn't buy it for that. And probably extremely fine condition based on that. And then I have a 1943. So this coin here is only 50%. This is 92.5% silver. 75. Yeah. I brought off this guy before. He always puts overinflated prices. Probably like very fine condition. What's he got? Almost uncirculated. Yeah. He also overestimates the grades. But yeah, that's pretty good. And then I have a Japanese, and this is called an Ishugin. So this is a small silver coin. I'm not too sure on the weight. I need to do some research first before. Oh, I'm looking at the eBay seller. It says 1.9 grams, issued between 1835 and 1865. So there was a currency reform in 1871. And this is a small silver coin. Not too sure what the relationship between the Japanese 100 won. So I need to work out what it says as well, because I don't initially read kanji or just Chinese characters in Japanese. And that's a very good coin. I like that coin. But the pièce de resistance is this large 2 penny coin. So this is about 70 grams. As you can see, the thickness. So it's 2 ounces. So 2 pence, 1879. They issued a 1 penny in 1 ounce and a 2 penny in 2 ounces. So in the proclamation of currency for Australia, this is worth about 4 pence, not 2 pence. Even though it wasn't included in the proclamation, because the 1 penny was worth 2 pence, this would be worth 4p. And it looks like the patina's come off, so that's what I gather from all this stuff here. The patina is actually coming off, so, and then the coin has to get a patina on it. So here's the colour again, and it's George III. So I do have the 1 penny, so these are called cartwheel tuppence. As you can see, the patina is actually just a corrosion, and you shouldn't actually remove that. You should actually keep it on the coin. But this one was actually not too expensive, so, and it's also not as common as the 1p. So I'm quite happy with that. Anyway, let me know if you've got any of these coins, because that's very interesting. And yeah, just keep having an awesome coin collecting time, people. If you can get this coin for under $20, that is awesome. And I will make videos on the other coins and show what you should and should not buy. Thank you very much, and have awesome coin collecting time, people. Okay, bye bye.